Welcome back. Chief Minister Parrikar has assured poor workers with a new market project within 2 to 3 months. Government has plans to construct a bridge from Betim ferry point to Panaji ferry point. This project would commence by the end of May. He has showered poor workers with various developmental projects on the birthday of Porvorim MLA Rohan Khaunte.
पुढल्या 2-3 महिन्याभितर मार्केट चालू करूया. हांगाच्यान लोक वतात पळय ते पणजेच्याच मार्केटान वचून शेती करत आपले त्रास म्हाकाच जाता तो. त्यामुळे परवरकारान परवरी मार्केट दिवया. 1-1.5 वर्सां भितर थंयच्यान बेतींच्यानूय पूल जातलो. डिझायन बी फायनल जावपाक आयला. बेतींच्यान पूल डायरेक्ट पणजे फेरीबोटी कडेन ह्या फेरीबोटी कडच्यान त्या फेरीबोटी कडेन डायरेक्ट पुलाची वेवस्था डिझायन जाला ते म्हाका दिसता मेच्या एंड पर्यंत ताजें काम चालू आसलें.
Porvorim MLA Rohan Khaunte laid foundation stone for various developmental projects in Porvorim constituency. Foundation stone for a multi-purpose ground with all facilities was laid and work will start from 11th April. Garbage treatment plant, KTC service and a rickshaw stand were the major projects taken up on priority.
As very importantly, आमचे 2 projects जे आशिल्ले जे which we wanted on priority 3 जे आशिल्ले तातले 2 आज जे घडले तातून एक सुकुरचो आमचो multi-purpose ground which will be used by all poor workers, which will be having a swimming pool and all the other facilities जे तुका कळोवनी जातली आणि वो सर्विस रोड. दूसरा एक प्रोजेक्ट जो पाइपलाइन आसा इज आवर साल्वादोर पंचायत घर कम ground which I think should also see the light of the day in the few days to come.
Foundation stone for the work of a service road at Porvorim was inaugurated. Parrikar said this road would ease traffic congestion in Porvorim.
शक्य आता त्या साइडीक सर्विस रोड आता सर्विस रोड म्हणटा पॅरल रोड तो सर्विस रोड दोन्ही साइडीकच्यान हांगा उपलब्ध करून दिता. नंतरच्या काळान हांगा फ्लायओव्हर बी सगळी सिस्टीम जातली तोपर्यंत जर तो नॅशनल हायवे भायल्यानच्यान गेलो जाल्यार कंट्रोलूच केली.
Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
High Court has directed Crime Branch to register FIR in mysterious death case of Nandan Gogoi after 5 years of his death. Sub-Divisional Magistrate Mapsa had ordered closure of this case in 2010, accepting Goa Police's claim of natural death. Quashing order of the Sub-Divisional Magistrate, the High Court has directed to re-investigate the matter.
Resident of district Jorat in Assam, Nandan Gogoi was working as an assistant manager with ICICI Bank Mapsa branch. He was promoted as operational manager on 9 September 2007 and was supposed to take charge of his new role from the very next day. To celebrate his promotion, he went with 3 of his colleagues to Kalangut beach and had drinks and dinner with them. On 10th of September, when he was supposed to take charge of his new post, he did not reach office. Later, Goa police found his dead body in his rented room at Mapsa. Room was locked from inside and his body was naked. His post-mortem was conducted at GMC and reported no mark or any injury. Cause of death was reported to be cerebral edema. As there was no sign of physical injury, police filed a closure report of natural death before Sub-Divisional Magistrate Mapsa, and the magistrate ordered closure of this case on 27th of September 2010. Father of Nandan Gogoi later challenged this order in the High Court. Considering the plea, High Court directed the Dean of Goa Medical College to form a panel of doctors and to submit Nandan Gogoi's detailed medical report. On Monday, a detailed medical report was submitted in which it was mentioned that a death caused by cerebral edema cannot be natural. On the basis of this medical report, the High Court directed Crime Branch to register FIR in a case of suspicious death of Nandan Gogoi and to re-investigate the matter. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Murugaon Municipal Council is facing crunch of administrative staff. Moreover, councillors complain that temporary staff has been recruited in the office without following proper procedures. Chairperson of the council has also agreed to the fact. She says it's an urgency.
मुरगांव नगरपालिकेन हांगसर जो फिक्स स्टाफ आसा तो आता खूपच रिटायर जावन हांगसर कमी जाल्लो आसा आनी त्याच्या जाग्याचेर हांगसर जो स्टाफ घेवपाक जाय आसलो तो पोस्ट घेवकूच ना आनी हांगसर टेम्पररी स्टाफ घेतल्या विदाउट फॉलोइंग द प्रोसिजर नॉर्म्स. हांगसरले कावन्सिलरांक आनी चेअरपर्सनाक विचारले जाल्यार ते मान्य करता की हांगसर जे स्टाफ घेतल्या टेम्पररी ते नॉर्म्स फॉलो करनासतनाच घेतलेले आसा.
खरें म्हणलें जाल्यार न्ही आमकां हांगासर एमई ना, एटीओ ना, अकाउंट ऑफिसर ना, एमीक हांवें रिलीफ करनाका म्हणटा आसतना सुद्दां ताका रिलीफ केला. स्टाफ ना म्हटल्यार टेम्पररी बेश्टी घेवन दवरल्या. कितें तरी बारीक काम करूंक जाय म्हणून तांकां घेतलेली ती बसलेली आसा. आपल्याक जाय जाय तशें हाडटा स्टाफ. मिटिंगेक हांगा बोवाळ घालताले हांवें एका भुरग्याक लागून घेवचो म्हणून. ताका इतले बोवाळ घालून ताका घेवचें म्हणून सगळ्यांनी मान्यता दिवन सुद्दां ताका कितले दीस कामाक घेवंक नासलेले आनी तांकां जाय जाल्यार भितूरल्या भितूर पास करून घेतात ते.
Whatever is required to be done, we follow the procedures, but at times it is not possible because due to the urgency.
सरकारा कडच्यान हांगसर ह्या फिक्स स्टाफ धाडटले काय कितें आनी ही म्युनिसिपालिटी बरे भशेन हांगसर फंक्शनींग करतली काय कितें आनी जे विदाउट फॉलोईंग नॉर्म्स जे स्टाफ घेतलेले आसा तेंचेर परतो प्रोसिजर करून हांकां घेतले काय कितें. बाकीच्या स्टाफांक त्रासदायक ठरलेले आसा. हेची दखल DMA आनी UD मिनिस्टर घेतले काय कितें. वास्कोच्यान प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर सुरेंद्र बडकयकर.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.